you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say.
Theo, I'm ill, I roll, I kill all these fake Jews graduated from hardcore, so call me Mr. Hood. If rapping was a race, I'm in the next flight to Jamaica. Punches, hard knockers, I'm speed on this hater. Whole lot of rappers up in this game. Everybody wanna rap out, my hood is the bestest. Wake up early from this money dreaming, I'm flawless. I'm early for this party, but my sneakers is the latest. Hustle in my hood, started in a Camry, but next year I'ma wake up in a new Bugatti. That means in my hood we got luck, we lucky. The girls, them fresh, better like them jockeys. I keeping on making it dope, keeping on rapping and making it hits. Girls keeping on shaking their body, now rocking it ready to wanna ask
We give it to them everywhere we go. We make them then we make them 9 to move the flow. Yeah, and me try now who di go to. Who ni materia kim paluta them tia kumo. Yeah, me better. And tina me better. When you na mungu sa me yatter. Nukumba mwana fa fenefe. Say me rap ya mama of them na ma wemwembu. I'm a TNT star doing this for my hood. I don't sue. Hip hop, hip life, move thank you so loco. Say mon to the head up and your friend them a tina diosu. Say me rap ya mama of them na ma wemwembu. I'm a TNT star doing this for my hood. I don't sue. Hip hop, hip life, move thank you so loco. Thank you so loco. She ma tina diosu.
I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. Let's go.
Essa você me flexe, oni abre. Essa me chiasse. Tirinyame, ayata resa kwa brane. To me juju, mamene, babene, becha opabene. Iflani yashi, high tension. KC, drop the beat. Come on, wine ya mini Theo A. My beer can pen fence yo biana sunte. Kata chere fe yen def we say. The chere chere pasum bie. Mi sie mi pie mi she mi te. Kwa def we say na she mi ye. Ube tri je men pasi sie. Mi biani chere shobro tre. Kache kesi yo biana mi sete. I do it for my hood.
A nap coming with so many already talking about the dude. What's me doing things your favorite rapper has been wishing he could. Or swag alright for my sake, for myself, that be my hood. Yeah, I know, even the Bible talks about my hood. Since Ranka Safunyame, Wankateme Nyamil, the hardest city, we kill and to crowd with Benanil. And I'm the king, I am like lion in Zion, the rap father, the one these childish rappers rely on. I spit bloody, cause these MCs biting me. My neck caught the eyes of everybody, all eyes on me. They don't wanna beef me cause the nigga stands a big below. You test me and from where I stand you go 6 feet below. I'm enlightening the game but me no Illuminati. The game proud and boast of me, I'm the game's new Bugatti. The nigga that brought the game back to his feet when it was crippled. The rap price and your favorite rapper stands my
I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood, and you giddy, call no buck up, cause we know they hear what you say.
Tewiya kim paluta. Max Mannie, Twix, Casey on every day. Too much yet. TNT, stop.